Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shiva Krishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools such as Power BI and Excel and AI related videos भी बना लेता हूँ उस channel पे. So I also do upload videos related to AI. And in case you are new to my channel, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all of you. And to the existing subscribers, thank you very much for staying connected with me. That you guys continuously watch my videos, and through that I get a lot of encouragement and motivation to upload valuable content on this channel. So thank you very much for staying connected. And all right, so in today's video we'll be exploring things related to psychology. Okay, तो साइकोलॉजी रिलेटेड जो चीज़ें हैं वो हम इसमें एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इसमें. ओके, वी हैव दिस प्रॉम्प्ट called what is cognitive psychology, explain the fundamental principles of cognitive psychology and how they influence our perception, memory and problem solving abilities. ये बहुत ही important है, right? So इसके थ्रू जानेंगे कि लाइक हमारे परसेप्शन, ठीक है, चीज़ों को देखने का जो नज़रिया है, ठीक है, हमारी याददाश्त, मेमोरी और हमारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एबिलिटीज़ को कैसे कॉग्निटिव साइकोलॉजी अफेक्ट करता है, राइट? एंड मैंने इसमें लिखा है कि गिव रियल लाइफ एग्जांपल्स. सो या वी want to find out like what is cognitive psychology, cognitive psychology, how it affects our perception, the way we perceive the universe, our memory and all that. So let's find out with the help of AI. Okay, I hit enter and AI will help us with the answers that we are looking for. All right, so you can see within seconds it gave us the answer. So here it says that cognitive psychology is a study of mental processes such as perception, memory, problem solving and decision making. Yes, so it focuses on how people understand, think and remember information. So first thing is perception. This involves interpreting sensory information to understand the environment. Okay, yes, so examples like when you see a red light while driving, your brain quickly processes visual information and signals you to stop, right? So basically, this all for the first thing is that you know how we process, right? So it's like uh, how we interpret things that are happening in the environment, right? And how we respond to that. So that's perception. ठीक है, तो जो चीज़ें जैसा हमारी लाइफ में होता है, राइट, उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम उसको कैसे इंटरप्रेट करते हैं, कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, वो परसेप्शन पे आ जाता है. मेमोरी, एंड देन मेमोरी इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ, ऑब्वियसली मेमोरी बताने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, राइट, यादाश्त. ओके, सो आई डोंट थिंक आई नीड टू टॉक मोर अबाउट मेमोरी. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, ऑब्वियसली येस, this this is also self-explanatory. I don't think I need to go more over this. All right, attention. Okay, yes, this is very important. This has to do with the concentration. All right, so it's about how you're being focused. All right, so cognitive psychology does, you know, investigate how we manage and allocate our attention. All right, so these are the things, and I will mention this in the description. All right, so as I said that I have more than 7,000 prompts, and I'll be making videos related to Power BI, Excel and also AI on a regular basis. All right, so there's a lot to learn, there's a lot to explore with the help of AI. All right, and I must say that I am a huge fan of AI for sure, and by now I would have written at least 1,000 prompts. ठीक है, तो अभी तक मैंने 1,000 prompts लिखे हैं. I've written 1,000 prompts and I will keep exploring this field as much as possible. All right, so in case you are new to my channel, do consider supporting this channel. ठीक है, चैनल पर नए हो तो उसे सपोर्ट करना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करना. काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें वैल्यूबल नॉलेज यहाँ पे मिलने वाला है. All right, so thank you so much for patiently watching the video. Take care Have a lovely day. Bye bye.